Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Today is actually a very exciting day because mom and I are going shopping for my birthday dress. My birthday is next week, so we initially planned to go like a few days prior to the birthday. But then mom usually stays really busy with her work, so she gets off only today. So today is actually a Sunday and I am doing these internships currently, and you would expect that they would give Sunday off, but there is no off on Sunday. So I have to even do a little bit of work in between, which is just crazy. But I am so excited. Also have to buy like few things for the house. So let's see what all amazing things that I get. So we are at the mall right now and there's literally no one. So both mom and I thought it is closed. So then we asked the guard and he was like the timings are apparently at 11 to 8 and I think it's like 10:37. So yeah, we are gonna pass time here 20 minutes. Mom and I just probably gonna walk and just talk a little bit until the mall opens. For a second I was like, shit, the mall is like closed, and I was like, oh my god, I'm not getting my dress today, but thank god. This is like really sunny. Oh my god. अरे आमिर बोल जी कैमरा ते Okay, I swear vlogging with mom is like one of the most difficult things just because she is very confused with what's happening. Okay, so it's really sunny is what I was telling you guys, and then I have to give mom also the context of what I'm saying. So mom, what are we gonna do right now?
चलो आगे আমরা এখন
Yeah, so we are gonna take a walk in this sunny, like really bad weather. I think we have 15 minutes to kill. So yeah, I'll just show you guys our walk. That's about it. So ma, what are we gonna buy today? We're buying my dresses and what else?
cosmetics, jewelry,
And what else?
and many more.
Many more. Give me some more items that we're gonna buy.
Eating food.
Yeah, I think that's the thing that I am looking most forward to. Like, it's just eating food outside. Okay, so we're finally inside the mall, and I am first time vlogging like in public, and I'm a little nervous of how people are gonna like look at me and stuff. But the shop that we were aiming to go, that shop is it's closed right now. I think it's under progress or something. So we're in this different shop, and let's look around. So now we are walking towards Max because we didn't really like too much in Trends. So now we are heading towards Max, and let's hope that we get like better choices there. Okay, so we got like a lot of things from Max. Now we are actually heading to somewhere else, like to get the dress, because that is the main purpose of coming to the mall. So yeah, let's see. After that we're gonna have lunch, And then finally we're gonna head home because mom has some work. So we're finally at the food court. We're going to order the food right now. It's actually pretty empty. I guess people are just like maintaining social distancing, so the mall is actually pretty empty. Okay, so I finally placed the order. I think I worked a lot continuously, like for 2 hours. So we ordered like a Chinese combo. I'll show you when it arrives, and we also packed food for dad. So yeah, that is about it. I'm like dying, starving. I didn't have any breakfast. The only thing I had was the ice cream that we got from here. But yeah, now I'm just gonna wait for food. So Ma, how was your day?
So nice.
What all did you buy?
Dress, cosmetics,
The frying pan. Mom actually wanted to buy these shoes, and by the way, we still haven't got the birthday dress. I know it's becoming a fiasco at this point, but we both were starving, so we thought we'll grab lunch and maybe then we can look for the dress. Lunch is done and we got the parcel food for dad. Now we're gonna head, I think we're gonna look for the dress, and mom had to buy a shoe. So once those things are done, I think we're gonna head home. It's like almost 2 o'clock right now, and honestly I am already feeling very tired. So we're finally done with the shopping. We've got the dress, we've got the shoes, everything that we needed. Did you have fun?
yes.
Yeah, so now we're gonna head home because mom has some work. So yeah, I will update you guys once I reach home. I will also try on all the tops and t-shirts that I got, except the birthday dresses, because let that be a surprise. I'll see you soon. So this is the first one. This is very comfortable and very just casual. Pink is not my favorite color, but this is like, I don't even own that many pink tops, so I thought let's just get this one. So this is the next top. I'm in love with this color. I mean, it's probably like the prettiest shade of yellow, just this mustard yellow. And again, this is super comfortable, so I love this top. So I have actually never owned a shirt, so I just saw the shirts like everywhere I went in the mall, and I was like, I have to get one, so I got this. Again, super duper comfortable, absolutely love it. So this is again a very casual t-shirt. I've gotten more like casual t-shirts this time rather than like party dresses. It's only the birthday dress that I got like a dress. But anyway, this is like a very casual t-shirt again. Just for like, you know, once I'm just going out with friends or something. I'm not a big fan of this, but I just wanted a casual t-shirt and that's why I got this one. So this is the final one, and for some reason it's like really loose. I don't know. Actually this is like the smallest size that they have, but for some reason it's a little loose. But I guess it's comfortable and that should be enough. Again, really like it. So yeah, that was the entire haul. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. And let me know if you want to see more of try-on hauls. Then I can probably, every time I go shopping, I can just like do a try-on haul. But if you did like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, because that really helps this channel. Give it a big thumbs up, and again comment down below letting me know what other kind of video that you guys want to watch. And I'll see you soon. Bye.